Happy anniversary.
What's that?
This is your anniversary gift, dear.
Oh, well, thank you. I always have a use for barrels. It's a nice barrel. You can put flour in there, salt, pork.
There's something on the inside. You hear it?
What's that?
It's a sabatier. Haven't you ever made ice cream before? Can't tell me them fancy pants Stevensons never ate ice cream.
You got me an ice cream maker.
Yeah, I thought we could have some ice cream for our anniversary.
You want me to make you ice cream?
Please. If it's too much to ask, I can return it. I'll return it.
Oh, no, thank you, dear. Thank you for such a nice
Are you sure?
gift.
What seems to trouble you?
You look so happy giving me this gift. I'll make you ice cream.
Well,
Have you ever had ice cream before?
No, I've not. It's my understanding it's frozen cream.
Do you have ice?
No.
Well, how are we supposed to make ice cream without the ice?
Well, I
guess
I'm going back to town.
Yeah, you're gonna have to go to the ice house in town and get us a block of ice. And while I do that, I'll get started with this.
Thank you. I'll return shortly.
Alfred, do you know how hard it is to make ice cream? Ron's never made it before. He's never even had it before. That's why he don't know how hard it is to make it. But I feel bad about it because he wants to try it so bad, and he's never had it before, and it's his anniversary gift to me, so now I feel like I'm obligated and I have to make it. This is going to be an all-day thing. Being alive is the hardest thing I've ever done.
My hands are frozen.
That's the ice, I'm assuming?
Yes, it's very cold.
Put it on the table.
It almost burns. All right, here's your ice. It's ready for ice cream.
We have to fit that into this barrel.
Into that barrel.
Yes, in the barrel.
Well, that should fit in there. Like this. Let's put it in there.
Have you lost your mind? We gotta break it up. We can't just put it in there like that.
That's so cool.
It has to fit in this barrel once you remove the cylinder.
I need my hammer. Where did I put that thing? Oh, there it is. Thank you. Boy, this is going everywhere.
This is the easy part. I think that's good, Ron.
Alright, last one.
Bigger chunks can go on the bottom. That's salt too.
Salt? I've got salt in the cupboard over there.
Spins good.
Alright. How long do we wait? Like 5 minutes?
You might want to go and cut some wood, and I'll take care of this. And
Really?
yeah, just come back for supper time. It'll be ready for you by then.
That's an hour.
It's a tight fit, but I'll try to get it done in an hour.
If you say so.
Thank you for this nice gift.
You're welcome. Happy anniversary.
And so it begins.
What are you doing?
Making ice cream.
Do you need any help?
No, you just go about your business.
You sure?
This is my business.
Sure looks like you need some help though.
Just come back for supper in an hour. I'll have ice cream ready for you.
Yes, ma'am.